To add hand-drawn annotations to our board, on the iPhone we're going to have to use our finger because it's not going to support the Apple Pencil. But don't worry, all the tools still work just like they would do on the iPad, which is really nice. So at the bottom, tap onto the Annotation button, and then you get this toolbox of different drawing tools. Of course, we can change the colour and we can change the thickness here just like normal, and then we can use our finger to annotate that board. Now, I must admit, I'm very excited about going on a land train, so I'm going to put a big yes next to that land train to really draw attention to it when I share the board in the next video. But you can actually draw on top of your pictures as well, even videos. So perhaps this video of the time-lapse over the river in Cologne, maybe I really love that and I want to draw a big heart over it. I could even be really fussy here and zoom into my shopping bag and make it a bit more personal to me by colouring it in as a Lego shopping bag. So there are loads of things you can do with these annotation tools to make that board a bit more personal to you. While I'm finishing off here, perhaps you might like to subscribe if you haven't already. As well as making a whole set of videos about Freeform for iPhone, there are also hundreds more quick tips to help you make the most of the device you're holding right now. In the next video, we'll have a look at the collaboration features in Freeform, so follow that link at the end and I'll see you there in a moment.